13 quick sandwich recipes for weight loss. I'm pretty sure that sandwiches are a hit with almost everyone. They're a convenient option for those on-the-go moments, and you'll get to add your favorite ingredients in between slices of scrumptious bread. As much as we all love sandwiches, many of us tend to shy away from them when trying to shed some pounds. This is because some folks have been told that consuming carbs in any form is detrimental to weight loss. So, we're here to share with you 13 delicious sandwich recipes that won't undermine your healthy eating plans. Number 1. Smoked Salmon Sandwich. So first things first, choose your preferred bread and toast it until it's nice and crispy. Then, get your hands on some sliced smoked salmon, red onions, capers, fresh dill, and some low-fat cream cheese. Spread the cream cheese on your toasted bread and layer on the salmon, onions, capers, and dill. If you want to get fancy, you can add some cucumber, lettuce, or tomato, and a sprinkle of lemon juice will give it an extra zing. Top it with the other slice of bread, and there you have it. A protein-packed sandwich that's perfect for any time of the day. Number 2. Sunrise Sandwich with Turkey. Start by cooking turkey patty in a non-stick skillet until it's cooked through. While that's sizzling away, fry an egg to your liking in another pan. Toast your favorite bread and spread some mashed avocado on it. Next, place the turkey patty on top of the toast, followed by your fried eggs and tomato slices, and don't forget to sprinkle some salt and pepper to add some oomph. Cap it off with a second slice of bread. Slice it in half if desired. And there you go. You've got yourself a delicious protein-packed breakfast sandwich that's sure to set the right tone for your day. Number 3. Low-calorie Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Here are a few ingredients you'll need. Get your non-stick skillet heated up over a medium heat and toss in some thinly sliced lean beef or chicken. Cook it until it's nicely browned and cook through. Add in some sliced onions and bell peppers and stir them until they're all softened. Next, season things up with a dash of salt, pepper, and any spices or herbs you're in the mood for. At the same time, take a whole wheat roll and give it a light toasting. Once everything's cooked up just right, pile it all onto your roll and cover it with a bit of reduced fat cheese. Pop that sandwich under the broiler until the cheese is all melted and bubbly. Then savor the wonderful flavors of this healthier version of a Philly cheesesteak classic. Number 4. Grilled buffalo chicken and blue cheese sandwich. First, let the chicken get cozy in a bath of buffalo sauce for around half an hour. Next, hit your grill or grill pan to medium-high, then throw that chicken on until it's cooked through and hits a temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. After that, give it a bit of a break. While you lightly toast your bread, once it's toasty, spread some blue cheese dressing on one slice, pile it on the chicken, add some sliced red onion, lettuce, and tomato. If you're feeling fancy, then top it all off with a second slice. Cut it in half if you desire, then take a bite of that explosion of flavors. Number 5. Blackened fish sandwich. First, get your hands on some firm white fish like tilapia, cod, or halibut. Then mix spices like paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, and black pepper in a small bowl. Dry off the fish and coat it generously while the spice mix. In a heated skillet or green pan with a bit of oil, cook the fish for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until it's firm and flaky. Toast up your favorite bun or bread, slather on some mayo or tartar sauce, and add lettuce, tomato, pickles, and whatever toppings make you happy. Number 6. Chicken salad sandwich with raisins and curry powder. Cook up some chicken breast until it's tender and shred into small pieces after it's cooled. In a bowl, mix the chicken with mayo, a sprinkle of curry powder, and some raisins. Don't be shy with the seasoning, add some salt and pepper to taste. Toast up your favorite bread and spread a generous layer of chicken salad on top. and add lettuce and tomato or any other toppings you're feeling. Put the sandwich together, give it a little cute cut if you'd like, and dig in. Number 7. Grilled chicken sandwich with chimichurri sauce. Start by marinating the chicken breast in a delicious blend of olive oil, minced garlic, lime juice, and your favorite herbs and spices. Fire up your grill or grill pan to a medium-high temperature and cook the chicken until it reaches 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius on the other side. While it's cooking away, whip up your scrumptious chimichurri sauce by blending fresh parsley, cilantro, garlic, red wine vinegar, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Toast your bread of choice and smother one slice with a mouthwatering chimichurri sauce. Add your perfectly grilled chicken nestled in your favorite toppings like lettuce, tomato, and avocado, and place your other slice of bread lovingly on top. You can cut it in half or just dive right in. Savor the flavors and enjoy this delicious grilled chicken sandwich with chimichurri sauce. Number 8. Easy panini. Start by preheating either a grill pan or a panini press. Grab a couple of slices of your favorite bread, say ciabatta or sourdough. Spread on a thin layer of your favorite sauce like pesto or mustard on one side of each bread slice. Pile on top of your desired ingredients like deli meats, cheese, veggies, or grilled chicken on one side. Pop on the other slice to create a sandwich. Slide the sandwich into the preheated panini press or grill pan. Cook for roughly 3 to 4 minutes till the bread turns toasty and the cheese looks melted. Get off the heat, chop if you like to, and release your easy and healthy panini. Number 9. Chicken burger with sun-dried tomato aioli. First, get some ground chicken and mix it up with breadcrumbs, some garlic, herbs, salt, and pepper. Then take a handful of this mixture and shave it into a patty. Grab a grill or grill pan. Heat it to medium-high and cook your chicken burgers until they hit an internal temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Oh, and don't forget to make your yummy sun-dried tomato aioli while the patties are cooking. Just blend sun-dried tomatoes, mayo garlic, lemon juice, and salt. Toast some burger buns, slather on a generous amount of that tomato aioli, and place a hot chicken patty on top. Add some lettuce, tomato, onion, or anything else you crave. Put the lid on and slice it up if you want to. Number 10. Asian-inspired tuna burger with wasabi mayo. Start by draining some canned tuna and popping it in a mixing bowl. Next, add some finely chopped green onions, grated ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, and a beaten egg. Mix everything thoroughly and then shape your mixture into yummy patties. When you're ready to start grilling, preheat your grill over medium-high heat and cook your tuna patties for around 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they're fully cooked. While your patties are cooking, whip up some deliciously spicy mayo by mixing some wasabi paste into some mayo. Then toast your burger buns. Spread your wasabi mayo on the bottom one, add a tuna patty on top, and top everything off with some crisp cucumber, tangy pickled ginger, and fresh lettuce. Once you're done, cover your burger with the top bun. Give it a good slice if you're feeling fancy and dig in. Number 11. Caprese Sandwich. First up, grab a ripe tomato and some fresh mozzarella cheese and slice them up nice and thick. Take a loaf of Italian bread or a baguette and slice it up to sandwich size. Now, layer those juicy tomato and creamy cheese slices on one side of the bread, drizzled with some balsamic glaze or vinaigrette, and sprinkle with salt and pepper. Top it all off with some fragrant fresh basil leaves, then pop the other bread slice on top. If you're feeling fancy and have a panini press or grill pan, go ahead and toast it up until the cheese is a-go-way and the bread is nice and crispy. Slice it into portions if you like, and enjoy the heavenly combination of flavors in this classic Italian sandwich. Number 12. Veggie Hummus Wrap. First, decide which type of wrap or tortilla you're in the mood for. Then generously spread some creamy hummus all over it. The next step is to add your choice of veggie. Sliced cucumber, shredded carrots, bell pepper strips, some spinach or lettuce, and don't forget to sprinkle on some salt pepper to taste. To up the flavor factor, you could also add slices of ripe avocado, crumbled feta cheese, or a squeeze of zesty lemon juice. Now, roll up to the wrap tightly, folding in the sides as you go to keep everything neatly in place. Number 13. Greek Salad Pita Pocket. First up, chop up some juicy cucumber, tomatoes, red onions, and those iconic Kalamata olives. Next, crumble some creamy feta cheese to add to the mix. Take all your chopped veggies and toss them in a bowl, adding in your olives and feta cheese. Then, sprinkle a little dried oregano, add a squeeze of lemon juice, and drizzle some olive oil on it. Give everything a good stir. Get your pita bread ready by popping it in a toaster or oven until it's nice and toasty. Cut an opening in your pita to make a little pocket and fill it with your tantalizing Greek salad mixture. If you'd like, add some tasty Greek yogurt or tzatziki sauce. And that concludes our list of 13 quick and healthy sandwich recipes for weight loss. Do you happen to know any great quick sandwich recipes for weight loss that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll always be in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!